That is why you should go on your knees and thank him.
It's okay, go down. Let's pray. Let's pray.
Wow.
Let's pray now.
Desmond.
You are interrupting me. God.
Desmond.
What?
Desmond. When you want to pray, the first thing you should do is start with praise and worship.
Which church is that? If I tell you, say I love you, God. My money, now your own, no.
Oga, please don't do this, please.
What's wrong with you? I'm just washing the plates.
Oga, please, let me do it. It's my job.
Cool down. I'll do this. Don't worry about it. Just go and do what you're doing.
No, Oga, Madam will not be happy.
I said go and sweep.
Please, sir, let me do it.
Let me just do this. Go and sweep, What's that?
Oga, please. Madam will not be happy if she sees you doing this, please.
Go and sweep.
Desmond, what are you doing? Is it your duty to wash the plate? Desmond, I'm asking you.
Yes, but you know I've been doing this. I just want to help out.
What kind of stupid help is that? Don't you realize you're the man of this house?
But there's nothing wrong with doing the dishes.
There's everything wrong with doing the dishes. That is why we got a maid.
Madam, that's what I told him, but he wouldn't...
Will you shut up? Him? Hey! Oh, my husband is now your mate.
Am I your mate?
No. Is he your mate? You keep quiet. Can you get out of this place? If you have done your job, he will not get out. I don't know why I'm paying you. Sweep, you cannot sweep. Clean, you cannot clean. My husband will be busy washing the plates on your behalf and cleaning the house. Yet I'm paying you. Why am I paying you? Why am I paying you? Spending and wasting my money. My friend, get out of that place. Where is this girl from?
Come to tell me, am I your mate?
Desmond, why do you like embarrassing me?
How am I embarrassing you? I'm just washing and cleaning the dishes. How is that embarrassment?
It's every bit of your action is an embarrassment. Why would you be washing the place when we have somebody who is supposed to do this?
And can we pay her? Let me explain something. I don't think I am the problem. The problem is you. Ever since we got this maid, morning, afternoon, night, you are angry. Midnight, you are angry. Dawn, you are angry. Before we got this maid, problem. We don't get maid, problem. Now you be the problem.
Desmond.
That's my name.
You are my problem.
Add my son.
What stupid surname do you have? How much can your surname bring? Can you walk into any place with your surname? Do you know what men are doing out there?
Hi, my name is Mr. Mensah. It works.
Desmond.
Yes.
My friend's husband just bought her a car. I saw it on Instagram. That is what real men do. Chioma has gone abroad, relocated by her husband. My own husband is still here, washing plates. Should I be jubilating?
Chioma is in America.
Yes.
It's a lie.
And you are here. What do you mean it's a lie? My friend can drop that spoon.
Sorry, ma. I don't like it when I see you angry now, baby. Just cool down.
As long as you remain poor, and as long as you don't have sense, I will continue to be unhappy.
Do you want me to relocate you? We can go to Ghana. Baby.
You want me to go to Ghana by road? And you afford to pay for flights?
Before, Uncle, how would you get to Ghana if not by road?
The problem with you is that you don't know where to draw the line in your numerous lies. You get so confused that you don't even know when you tell the same lie over and over again. I don't like it.
I am not lying. I was there, but I didn't
Just
see
stop it. I don't like it when people try to play on my intelligence. Please. You should have called me to tell me you couldn't make it, rather than making me go out there looking like a cheap prostitute waiting for a client.
Okay, fine. I lied.
Sly, you're just a bastard. Is it another woman?
No. It's business. Look, baby. I'm sorry, okay? It won't happen again. You know our wedding anniversary is in 2 weeks. Let me make it up to you. I was thinking we should go for a vacation with your sisters. How about that?
Vacation? Mm-hmm. With my sisters?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Of course.
You're not going to take back your words?
Never.
I will love it. You know, I have always wanted to spend time with my sisters, you know, share special moments. More like reuniting with them. It's been a while.
Yeah, I know. The last time was a year ago on our wedding day.
Yes, but I pray they don't decline.
Why don't you call them first? I'm thinking of making it like a family thing with their husbands and all.
Oh my God, it's going to be perfect.
Make the calls. I'll think of a resort and make the reservation. Okay?
Thank you, honey.
You're welcome. Anything for my sweetheart. So go make the calls.
Baby, kia, 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 where they dance my dance. Wind this your booty down. You go pass me the Rusilla.
Honey, honestly, if you know all the atrocities that girl confessed to me that she committed, hey, you will not call her your friend again, no?
Are you serious?
Do you know she was a thief? Correct armed robber. As in she was in a gang.
Hey.
Yes.
Hey, Delia.
Yes, Delia. She confessed everything to me with confidence. Do you know that she has had series of abortions? From all those illicit affairs she has with her various sugar daddies. Eh? How do you think she was able to pay her way through university? Eh? But she wasn't all lucky. Do you know one of her abortions went wrong and that damaged her womb? That's the reason of her childlessness. And her husband does not even know a thing.
Hey! Oh my God, poor Isaac.
Yes, poor Isaac. Eh? Now she's running from one church to another, seeking miracles. Eh? Not even letting the guy know that she does not have a womb anymore. Eh? All right. She thinks God is stupid enough to give her another womb after she has destroyed the first one he gave her with her recklessness. Abi?
Oh my God.
Okay.
Poor Delia. So this is what my friend has been going through.
You need to know.
Huh? But why would she confess all this to you? You're neither a pastor nor a priest. Why you?
Perhaps she needed someone to confide in. You know? Maybe frustrations. But baby, this is a secret though. You can't tell anybody. Just keep it to yourself.
You trust me. It's Louisa. Hi, Louisa.
Hey, sis. I'm good.
How is Abuja?
We are fine. Abuja is fine.
We give God the glory. How is Lai?
My husband is fine. How is Melvin? How is Junior?
They are all fine.
Okay, sis. We are planning a vacation for us.
Really? A vacation? Oh, my God, this is so splendid. Your wedding anniversary.
The whole idea of this vacation is just for us to come together, you know, with our husbands. You know, some form of reunion, you know.
Oh my God, this is so exciting. Yes, of course, my husband is in town.
I'm going to call Becky once I'm done talking to you.
Oh my God. Oh, so when are you planning this vacation? Lagos? You're bringing it to me? Oh, this is so exciting. I can't wait. Don't forget to call Sister Becky. Make sure she brings that clown husband of hers. Oh. Yes. Of course we're in. Yes, okay. I'll see you around.
Okay. All right. My regards to Melvin.